Is a painting business profitable? Here's 6 eye-opening facts. Hi, this is Lee Casano from paintingbusinessman.com. Please stay tuned for a cool offer at the end of this video. Fact number 1: yes, painting businesses are profitable. Just look in the online yellow pages and you'll see lots of painting companies, both large and small, so something is going on. As in anything, there are people that make lots of money and some don't make much at all. It's the old 80-20 rule, as in everything else. 20% of the painters out there make great money, while 80% do okay or less. Fact number 2, extra profit. Some painting companies also offer extra services for greater weekly profits. Some painting companies also do commercial and industrial painting. I know of a painting company back in Michigan. It's over 100 years old, and they also, besides industrial and commercial, they also offer mural painting, so they have someone that does that for them. Some painting business owners run a tighter ship and are more diligent than others with their numbers. Fact 3, leverage. Some painting business owners hire employees or subcontractors for greater profits. Some painting business owners are what they call 1%ers because they make the most money. They are the top money makers in the money pyramid. Some painting business owners will invest more money into their company and add extra services as well. Fact number 4, training. Some newer painting businesses will even get more knowledge on how to advertise, estimate, and even get painting tips, tricks, and techniques for making their work look its best. Fact number 5, giving estimates. One of my videos is popular because it's titled, "How much does a painter make per day?" And I tell what a normal painter's rates are, but even with this helpful information, you will still lose money if you don't know how to estimate accurately. paintingbusinessman.com shows my simple foolproof methods for making a profit every time. I know from experience that not estimating jobs the right way or being lazy about it has cost me money more than a few times. Whether you decide to grow a large painting company or just a 1 or 2 man operation, if you don't do thorough estimating, you will bite the bullet somewhere, especially on bigger jobs. Fact number 6, and knowing how to get jobs is just as important. Many times you can get referrals, which are golden, but not all the time. Once you know how to estimate and advertise professionally, you can grow your company and make as much money as you dare to dream. My manual, the Paint Like a Pro Estimating and Advertising System, is all based on facts and not theory. Theory always seems to backfire. If you order a copy today, you will have everything you need to advertise and estimate like a pro. You will even have over 180 tips, tricks, and techniques for doing professional work. Just go to paintingbusinessman.com. And here's my special I told you about at the beginning. Please visit my link above about starting a painting business and even get a powerful bonus called How to Repair Drywall Like a Pro for free with it if you order within the next few days. It shows you how to make $30 to $70 per hour for small 7 to 10 hour jobs. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button and even click the little bell next to it to be notified of any new videos. And don't forget to hit the like button too if you found this video helpful.